Hello everyone, welcome back to the Review Pro. In today's videos, we are going to check out the top 5 best wooden shoe racks in 2019. To see the price and more information about these wooden shoe racks, please check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's dig in the videos. Starting at number 5. We have the HoneyCanDo SH01599 wood shoe rack. Capable of accommodating up to 12 pairs of shoes. This one does an excellent pick to add in this post. This HoneyCanDo shoe rack has 3 tier levels that ensure you can enjoy adequate storage. The manufacturer has used high-quality bamboo for crafting this amazing product. It is a natural and environmentally friendly unit that can last forever generations and keep away from water and moisture. We found that it is an attractive unit that you can buy for keeping your shoes in a place. At number 4. We have the Songmax bamboo wood shoe rack. This unit is especially for people who have lots of shoe pairs in their home and want to buy an impressive 6-tier wood knot shoe rack. The Songmax brand has manufactured this multi-functional product using MDF boards and natural bamboo frame. Each of the 6 shelves in this unit is capable of bearing 2 to 3 pairs of shoes quite easily. That's not all. The company has also kept the convenience of buyers in mind by providing hollowed-out handles for better carrying. Check out the description for more information about these product and latest price. At number 3. We have the ClosetMaid 5081 wood shoe rack. Finding a more organized wooden shoe rack in this budget is a very difficult task. The shoe station includes all of the necessary pieces that you need to begin to organizing. The box includes all of the hardware for an easy assembly. All you need is a space to place it. The shoe station can be easily assembled by following the assembly guide provided in the box. This ClosetMaid model is available in 2 different colors, espresso and white. In this rack, you can accommodate up to 16 pairs of shoes. Thanks to its 36 inches width. It is the best wooden shoe rack that comes with all stacking and installation hardware. You can assemble this task at Title V compliant product in minutes without any help. At number 2. We have the Langria 3-tier bamboo shoe rack. If you are one of those people who care a lot about the environment and want to buy an eco-friendly shoe rack, then shopping this Langria unit is the pick to go for. It made from natural bamboo and available in 3 different colors like brown, natural and gray. The sledge design is featured in each tier for better air circulation. It prevents the buildup of odor. This design reduces the overall weight of our bamboo shoe rack. You can carry it around for different purpose with ease. The thing that we love about this unit is the high loading capacity that let it accommodate up to 12 pair of adult shoes. Apart from that, it is very easy to assemble and doesn't involve any lengthy process. Lastly, at number 1, we have the Songmax sturdy shoe rack. This high-quality shoe rack from Songmax brand doesn't need any introduction and can be bought in a variety of colors like natural bamboo, black, gray and brown. It has a very robust heavy-duty construction that made using 100% natural bamboo to boost stability. The holding capacity of this rack is more than 250 pounds. That makes sure one can even sit on it. Also, the assembly and setup process is quite quick. Overall, it is a perfect investment that you can make for an enjoyable experience. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.